Right, so I'm at another one now. I've climbed in. So this is an old morgue. It's like a gurney where the bodies would go in there. And it's body fridges. We'll come back to that. That's the main room. This is like a chapel of rest, where they'd have the service. Proper retro lighting and stuff. Anything else in here? So there's there used to be a formaldehyde machine, but it must have gone. There's like another gurney there. Note in there, that's just a toilet. So I came here a long time ago, but this is the main room. So the morgue room. I've climbed in there. That's how I got in. Bit of a sketch climb like, but I did it. It wasn't like that when we last came. So that roof's been caved in. So this is where they would have had the autopsies and stuff. I've been a blackboard to keep all the who they're dissecting to put a post-mortem. I think this was to hang up like blood bags and stuff. Sink there. Like I say, that's it. It's only a small place. Thought I'd call and do it while we're in the area. Let's try and climb out of this place now. NellyD is outside, but he didn't fancy risking that climb. So, yeah, let's try and get it back out again. That's it. So that's how we got in. Bit of sketch light, but so it's this weird. Doesn't even look like a morgue, but yeah. So that's it. The abandoned morgue. Now it's only a short video. There's not very much in there, but yeah, that's it. This is all. The way we originally got in was this door, but they've like heavily fortified it. So yeah, so it's an abandoned morgue, but it's on an active hospital. There's probably a lot of them in the country. So yeah, right, thanks for watching. On to the next one.